In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in GoodRx account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.goodrx.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of GoodRx. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option login in order to go to the login interface. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of GoodRx. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email or continue with Google, Apple or use a mobile number. Simply click on the login method that you used while signing up for your account. Here I'm just going to enter the email. So click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. After you do that, click on this option, continue. Now the code will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. After you do that, Gmail will be opened. GoodRx will send you the email. Simply click on the email sent by the GoodRx. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the GoodRx tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in GoodRx account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.